Hi, welcome everyone to our creative talk this month. Good afternoon. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
afternoon, everyone.
Yeah, everyone.
We're so excited. Let's welcome the guests to come to the Instagram, the live session first. Yeah, we're still waiting for you to join our Instagram creative talk with the topic. Um, the topic.
Yeah. Open
Open
house.
house. Yay.
Yay.
So it's unique topic for this creative talk because we're going to be discussing about our open house that will be it's just around the corner. Yeah, it's going to be on this weekend.
That's
Yes,
right.
that's
It's
right.
Saturday.
Yeah, so please again come join our live to check to know more about our open house. Okay, all right. I'm gonna start introducing our guest speaker. Welcome to the show. This is Creative Talk with the title "What's on Our Open House?" Yeah. For this creative talk, we're going to be discussing a lot of information that you guys are probably curious about and why. Why should we come to the open house? So this is going to be the answer. They will explain to you why you should come on our open house this Saturday. Okay.
Yes.
Today we have a special guest. We have Mr. Iwan.
Hi.
You want to introduce yourself first?
Okay. Thank you, Miss Naya. Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah. Here I'm very glad and be happy to join in this Instagram online. And I will introduce before we will discuss about our event. Yeah, my name is Francisco Saveri Suhari Irawan. You can call me Mr. Iwan. And I'm here as a principal of elementary school. Yeah, for right now. And then the foundation trusts me to be a chairman or coordinator for this event. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. Iwan, for the extensive elaboration of yourself. And we have here a beautiful lady,
Oh.
Ms. Fetty.
Yes.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes. Hi everyone. I am Ms Fetty. I'm the coordinator of Rainbow Division. And for this year, I'm also becoming one of the coordinator for the open house, Miss Noya. So I'm working together with Mr. Iwan, and we are ready to answer all the questions that the audiences may be curious about our open house.
Okay, so thank you so much, Ms. Fetty and Mr. Iwan. And again, because we're going to be discussing a lot of information about the open house and inviting you guys to come for our open house this Saturday. So make sure to click this the heart button to know more and like our Instagram account. Okay, and we also want to invite you guys to follow our Instagram account. We have several accounts under Yayasan Anak Terang. The first one is Yayasan Anak Terang and Rainbow Learning Center, also Sekolah Anak Terang. So please make sure to follow those three accounts. And also another one, we have Special Parent Support Group. Yeah, Instagram account where you can get a lot of ideas and tips and tricks for parents. Okay. All right. Again, I will directly ask these two important people that help our open house to run smoothly later on.
Yeah.
The first question that probably a lot of us are curious, when and where will our open house take place?
Okay, I will answer first. Miss
Yes,
Fetty, yeah.
Mr.
Okay.
Iwan.
Yeah. For this year, our open house will be held in Sekolah Anak Terang Elementary Division, and then which is located in Taman Royal Division, and this event will be held on Saturday, 23 September of 2023. Okay.
Yes, that's right. So please mark your calendar. Don't forget to come on this Saturday to our open house.
Yeah.
So again, the open house will take place this Saturday.
This Saturday.
Okay. Please mark your calendar.
Yeah.
Don't forget that this Saturday there's going to be an important event happening in Sekolah Anak Terang. Yeah.
Right.
And what time is the open house? If we may know, what time should we come to the school?
Okay, for this open house on Saturday, parents are invited to come to school from 8 o'clock in the morning, Miss Noya. So 8 o'clock, actually, all our staff and also our schools are ready to welcome the parents. So 8 o'clock until 12. Yes.
12.
Yes.
Yeah, remember parents to take that notes. Okay. Another thing that we will probably be curious, but it's very obvious. What's the theme of this year's open house? Any theme, any particular statement that we wanna inform parents?
Okay, Miss Noya, yeah. Maybe our audience already see about what we wear right now, right? The
Yeah.
blue and many color here. Yeah.
Yes.
So for this year, we decided to use true color for the themes. This is our big themes because we want to show that what is the school is. Yeah. So we expect all the differences. We accept all the differences about come from all our students. Yeah, such as the background and their ability, the culture, about the physical. Yeah, all about differences. We accept that one. So we choose true color.
Yes, true
With many
colors.
color here.
That is
Okay.
right, Mr. Iwan. Yeah. So for this year's open house, we have decided to choose true colors because we want to show our schools, our students, our facilities in our schools to all the audiences, all the parents, and also the outsiders that will be joining our open house also, Miss Noya.
Yes.
So again, with the team True Colors, we want to make sure all parents, students who come, prospective parents, to know
Yes.
actually what the true colors of Yayasan Anak Terang, of Rainbow Learning Center, and Sekolah Anak Terang, yeah, because we have so
Yes.
many divisions under our
Yes.
school, and each have their uniqueness, right? Their
Yes.
differences. So that's such a beautiful message here. True Colors for the
True
message
colors.
of this year's open house. Okay, the third question is: the open house open for everyone who are invited to come to this open house, or again, do parents need invitation or to have tickets to come to our open house this year?
Yeah, okay. For this question, actually our open house is open for public, Miss
So
Noya.
open for public,
Yes,
remember?
it's open for public.
Terbuka ya untuk umum
yes,
ya.
that's right. We invite all our members in our Yayasan Anak Terang to come on this day, especially for those parents who are looking for the best school for their lovely kids. Yeah, we welcome you also to come to our open house this Saturday, and you also may invite your relatives, maybe your friends, including the outsiders, Miss Noya, from other schools,
Yes,
other
okay.
parents. Please join us in our open house this Saturday.
So open to public. Our open house is open to public, and you may even bring your friends, a relative,
Yes.
oma, oppa, because I think there will be a lot of activities going on
That's
later
right,
for
that's right.
everyone to
Yes.
enjoy. So again, make sure parents ingetin teman-teman tetangga-tetangganya untuk datang ke open house kita Sabtu ini ya. Alright. Because again, they said it's open for public. And probably you guys are wondering, so what are the activities that will be happening on that day?
Okay, for this open house this year, yes, our team have already prepared so many wonderful activities. Actually, there are 3 main activities, Miss Noya. So we have the first one, students' performances. Okay, which will be coming from all the divisions, Rainbow Division, and also Elementary Division, and also the Secondary Division. Beside that, also we have the showcases.
Okay.
Yeah, so later the guests, the students can visit our showcase because there will be so many fun activities we prepared. And the other one is the principal and also administration staff explanation related to our school's program, and also the procedures of registration.
Okay.
Yeah, for the next academic year. Okay.
And is there another activities besides those 3 exciting activities?
Yes,
that-
of course. We have one more, Miss Noya. Last but not least, we do have bazaar.
Wow, bazaar.
Yes, that's right. So this bazaar will be placed in our school's ground. So parents, you may visit our bazaar and then check what we have in our bazaar for you.
And if I'm not mistaken, besides bazaar, there's also a book fair, isn't it?
That's right. That's right.
Book
Yes.
fair by Gramedia. Okay, so again, so many activities like Ms.
That's
Fetty
right.
just mentioned earlier. The activities are school stage performances by our students, right? So each division, even the kids from Rainbow, SDN, SMP, they will perform
on the stage. Yes.
And also there will be showcase or
Showcases.
probably students can visit each classes, yeah.
The
through this-
activities,
the activities,
every
yeah.
activities, yes.
There's activity for kids also, and followed by parents. They can get information by our principal and
And also
administration
assistant
staff.
staff.
And also there's bazaar and book fair. So so
Wow.
many activities.
Yes.
A
So
lot
many
of
wonderful-
activities happening on that day. So make sure parents to come. The open house is from 8 to 12. Is it true?
8 to 12.
So make sure to come during that time. You can even like come earlier, maybe if you want to really check about the school building, you can. But our event is going to start at 8 to 12, so there's a lot of time for you to come to the school. Okay. Another question. Okay. Can guests bring their friends and family to come on that day?
Of course, as we have already mentioned earlier, that this open house is open for public. So, parents are very welcome to come, and then they also can invite their friends, relatives, or maybe the other parents from the other schools. Because, especially for those parents who are looking for the best school, for the right school for their lovely kids, please, we are very happy to have you in our open house. But Mr. Iwan and also Miss Noya, I think it will be good if they would make the appointment first in advance to our administration staff, so we will be ready
Okay.
to welcome them on Saturday.
Okay. So again, because it's open for public, we probably need some kind of heads up from parents to know how many people are coming from each of them.
Yes.
So we can prepare the space, the
That's
seating,
right, that's
the seating
right,
arrangement. Yeah. But again, because it's open for public, anyone can come on that day. You may bring even your friends and relatives. So make sure to come this Saturday. Okay. And another question, you mentioned about some activities that's
Yes.
going to be happening, but what can we expect from this open house? Any hints? Some interesting performance
Okay.
or interesting showcase that will happen on that day?
Okay, thank you, Miss Noya. Yeah, through this open house, parent can see the student of our school actually. Yeah, and then the student will be show what they have, their development. Yeah, they will be berani untuk menampilkan kegiatan mereka di dalam kegiatan open house ini. Mereka akan lebih kreatif dalam berkegiatan, kemudian can able to perform in front of public ya, atau presentasi di depan audien atau tamu yang akan datang nanti. Banyak hal nanti yang akan disaksikan sama orang tua tentang lingkungan kami juga yang sangat mendukung untuk pendidikan. Mungkin itu bisa tambahkan Miss Fetty? You can.
Yeah, we are very sure, Miss Noya, by attending this open house, parents will get a brighter insight of getting their kids
To the school,
yes, to the best education. So we are very sure about that, right, Mr. Iwan? So please, parents, again, we remind you, don't miss our open house on this Saturday, because there will be so many wonderful activities, and we are very sure also that the parents also will be satisfied attending this open house.
There will be many activities that we already prepared.
Yes.
From few weeks behind us or few months before.
Almost 2 months ago.
Almost
Almost 2
2
months,
students
Miss
prepared
Noya.
this event and the teachers prepared this event. So again, parents, make sure to come, because there will be so many activities going on, not just for the student, but also for the parents. They're going to be getting something from the school, and the students as well. Prospective parents, you may bring your brother or sister to come on that day, because again, tadi yang udah disampaikan semua, ada banyak kegiatan yang bisa dilakukan oleh anak-anak dan orang tua pada hari H kegiatan ya.
Betul sekali.
All right. So again, we just want to remind you again, yeah, Ms. Fetty and Mr. Iwan, you want to give a heads up or a reminder at the end?
Okay. Yeah, for the audience, our student, and our community members in outside there. So don't miss this our open house, this our event this year, because we will give it the special discount, right, Miss Noya? And the student will be joined in our school for the 2024 and 2025 for the school year academic. So don't miss it and join with us.
Yes, of course, because you will get special discount in our open house this year. So please, again, don't miss this open
Don't miss
house.
this open
Mark your
house.
calendar and join with us on this Saturday. We are very happy to welcome you.
Yes.
Yes, on this Saturday.
Okay. Okay, again, parents, you have heard what they said about our open house. Again, parents, please come to our open house because there will be so many activities, not just
Yes.
activities for kids or parents, but everyone can even follow. Ya, siapapun boleh hadir, boleh menikmati kegiatan yang sudah kami siapkan, dan juga pastinya for parents who are looking to enroll their kids to school, mungkin orang tua yang saat ini anaknya di TKB atau yang di kelas
Ya.
6 atau yang masih toddler mau masuk usia prasekolah. Please come on that day because hari ini adalah hari yang sangat tepat untuk orang tua bisa melihat semua kegiatan yang ada di sekolah, bisa mencoba kegiatan-kegiatan yang ada di sekolah, dan mendapatkan informasi dari kepala sekolah dan juga dari administrasi tim kami. Dan pastinya karena ini open house itu ada diskon, special early bird, is that
Yes.
correct?
Special
Yes,
early bird.
discount for parents who registered. So make sure to come to get that discount. Karena setelah itu sudah tidak ada lagi discountnya ya. Setelah
Yes.
open house sudah berbeda lagi discountnya.
betul
So
sekali.
make sure to maximize this Saturday untuk hadir ke Sekolah Anak Terang, dan pastinya there will be so many events and gifts, souvenirs. That's what
Yeah.
I'm
Prepare for the souvenir.
souvenir for parents and students to come on that day, okay? So again, make sure to check our Instagram account, make sure to check our website to know more about our school. Website kita ada di www.yat.sch.id. Dan untuk Instagram, kita ada 3 tadi accountnya. Ada Yayasan Anak Terang, and Rainbow Learning Center, and Sekolah Anak Terang that you guys can follow and comment on those posting. You may see a lot of information about our school, a lot of programs that are interesting for your kids to follow. And make sure to come this Saturday, hari Sabtu, tanggal 23 September 2003, di jam 8 sampai jam 12 siang ya. Jadi pas tuh setelah open house, there will be bazaar happening. Parents can come, can explore the school, can buy a lot of foods. Yeah. There's so many things going on. So we're so excited to share this news to parents ya. Pastikan untuk orang tua yang menonton video ini jika memang mau mengundang temannya, you can hit that share button on this Instagram, share ke teman-temannya supaya diundang datang hari Sabtu ini, datang ke open house kita ya. Alright, without more explanation, because so many explanation already been given from our teachers and Mr. Iwan.
Yes.
So again, we want to say goodbye to everyone, and we're hoping to see you this Saturday, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We're ready for you.
Yes.
Okay. So
Okay.
thank you everyone for
Thank you, everyone.
watching. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Have a good
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.